Good morning, kids. Hope you all are ready for your science class. My first question for you: name the external organ from where food enters our body. Yes, the answer is mouth. My second question is: what are the two things present inside our mouth? The answer is teeth and tongue are present inside our mouth. So my dear students, today we will study about teeth, its type and its structure. Why do we have teeth? Teeth help in cutting, biting and chewing the food. Does a newborn child have teeth? No, a newborn child does not have teeth. But by the age of 2 to 3 years, the child has 20 teeth. These are called milk teeth. As the child becomes 6 to 7 years of age, his milk teeth fall and big permanent teeth appear in their place. Let us study about types of teeth. Teeth are of 4 types on the basis of the type of work they do. The first 4 teeth on both the jaws are called incisors. They help in biting the food. There are total 8 incisors present on both the jaws. Besides incisors, there are canines. Canines are 4 in both the jaws. Canine helps in tearing the food. Next to canines are 2 premolars on each side of a jaw. There are total 8 premolars. Premolars help in chewing the food. Next to premolars are 3 molars on both the sides of a jaw. There are total 12 molars present on both the jaws. Molars help in chewing the foods. So, in permanent teeth set, there are total 32 teeth present. So, the 4 types of teeth are incisors, which are known as biting teeth, canines, which are known as tearing teeth, premolars and molars, which are known as chewing or grinding teeth. Now, let us study about the structure of a tooth. The part of tooth above the gums that we can see is called crown, and the part of tooth which is not visible to us and is under the gums is called root. The white shiny part of the tooth is called enamel. The hardest part of the tooth is called dentine. There is a dental pulp which contains nerves and blood vessels and is the softest part of the tooth. Our bones and teeth are made up of calcium. So, in order to keep our teeth strong, we should take food items rich in calcium. Calcium is present in milk and its products. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night before going to bed in circular motion, to clean the food items stuck between them and keeping them free from cavities. We should visit our dentist twice a year for regular checkups. We should use a dental floss to remove the food items stuck between the teeth. A dental floss is a silk thread used by the dentists. We should eat raw fruits like apple and guava to make our teeth and gums strong. Look at this picture. This is cavity. Cavity is a hole in a tooth which is caused by the action of bacteria on the food stuck on the tooth. In order to protect our teeth from cavities, we should not eat anything that is sweet, and we should rinse our mouth after eating anything. Write the answer of this question in the comment box. Name the 4 types of teeth present in our mouth. Thank you, children. And I hope you have understood the topic well.